Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Nigga step for big, you already know they gon' put me in the jail. I made a plan that I was going back. Now that shot ain't come my way, I'm gon' run back. Where you going at? By my paper, I turn him into a play. No, he ain't doing that. Free all the bros, just learn how to fly me a drone. I'm trying to get all the drop shit. I say, I'm a rap here with the trucks and with the blocks. Man, nigga be killing.
Alright, y'all boys, and welcome back to the channel. As y'all boys can see by the title, we back in Atlanta, man. This has been a crazy day already, bro. I got pulled 2 times in 1 hour, gang. It should be in a vlog if I'm dropping that video. I don't know if it's dropping before or after this. But yeah, right now, bro, we about 30-something from the crib, from the B&B. We finna head back there. It's gonna be a smooth little drive, you feel me? Let's pray we don't get pulled over on the way there. Like, there's no reason we should. But alright, but I ain't gonna yap y'all boys' heads off. I'll catch y'all boys in the whip. If y'all boys want to know a smooth little way to make some side cash, listen up. And I mean, like, really listen, bro. Put both ears on the screen, you feel me? The secret to how I'm able to pay for tires, gas, everything like that daily is free cash. Free cash is basically a way you can play games on your phone and make money. Who wouldn't want to do that, bro? That's like top 2 combos ever, bro. Playing games and making money, it can't get no better than that. All you gotta do is scan the QR code on the screen or click the first link in the description, and you'll start off with $10. Who don't want a free $10, bro? I'm trying to tell you. You could be at school, bored, in the back of the class, playing the game while making money, you feel me, while your teacher yelling at you. Or you could be passenger seat on a road trip, you feel me, still making money on your phone. Now, of course, it ain't no get rich quick money, you feel me, but it's good money to pay for things like gas and daily essentials. It might take a little bit of time to build like a huge payout, but you're gonna be on your phone anyways. You might as well make some money while being on it. But go ahead and scan that QR code to get signed up. Like I said, you get a free $10 using my code or my link. And click that first link in the description. And y'all boys start making some bread, man. It's time to lock in for real. We all gotta be in Cats 2027. I'm gonna let you over. It fucking stink, bro. We're on I-85, bro. Like, we literally have the same highway in Charlotte. What Chris feeling like? They're scaring me. They have the radars and they're not saying nothing. Yeah, the ground's still a little wet. You can kind of tell. That's why my shit slipped. Like, what are we doing? Why is nobody else dogging? Like, I'm confused. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Feeling like on the left in this X6. He dogging it though. Beautiful tunnel. Yeah, that was hype as fuck. Bro, I don't even know what lane we're supposed to be in. It's 10 lanes, gang. What's going on? And then we hit in traffic, like, bro, it's her birthday, go ahead. I can't do too much. They said 12 up here. 12. My back itching. My hair tickling my back, bro. Smooth little dog session. remember it being this loud. It's like it just got loud this day. Like it just got that loud today. Like what's going on? Is on, bro. My car is literally 80% exhaust, 20% wine, bro. Like this shit is so loud. I don't know these fucking roads. Ah, shit, 12. Of course they come. Of course they come. Of course 12 go the same way we going. He can turn slow as hell. All right, it's time to go home. I'm ready to get to the crib.
We gotta go.
I'm trying to pop a op, you trying to pop a pill. If I can't put you